emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in east central Ohio, Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, northeastern Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 18 miles north of Bolivar to 15 miles northwest of Baltic, and were moving east at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Baltic, Sugar Creek, Strasburg, Bolivar, Dover, New Philadelphia, Mineral City, Homeworth, Malvern, Salem, East Rochester, Delroy. Highways impacted include Interstate 376 between mile markers 31 and 49. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 74 and 95. Interstate 76 between mile markers 1 and 24. This is a dangerous line of storms. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas, and Lawrence County, Pennsylvania.
The forecast for Northeast